So next thing, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Avour. Okay, so today I am doing an olive green eyeshadow look. As you can see, I'm blending in my eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Becharm Benny white eyeshadow primer. Blending it in with a fluffy brush to give me a very seamless look. I have to blend this part it in to give a very beautiful look. Make sure you blend this well. There's no harsh lines. Differentiating your concealer from your eyeshadow primer. Blend it in seamlessly. Also doing the same thing to the other eye, blending it in seamlessly. So next I'm taking a fluffy brush, a two-sided fluffy brush. I'm dipping it into my Avour eyeshadow palette and taking a very beautiful green shade from my Avour eyeshadow palette. I'll be using 4 green shades today. I'll be using both the shimmer and the matte shades. I'm blending in the green eyeshadow. I'm taking a very dark eyeshadow green, blending it into my crease. I'm starting by my edge, the edge side of my crease of my eyelid, then blending it into my skin. Very seamlessly. You have to go with a very light blending technique, very soft, not too harsh on your face. You have to go very light, like you're holding something very soft and you don't want it to break. Blending it in very seamlessly and soft. Blending into the crease all over your eyes. And blending it in seamlessly. Blending it into my eye seamlessly, following the same process. I'll blend it in seamlessly, blend it in. Also take later on I'll be taking my flat brush. I'm taking the brush to blend the edges out to make sure there's no harsh line. Blend out the edges, close it close to my brows to make sure there's no harsh line. Blending it in seamlessly. This also process, you have to go with a very soft blending process, not too harsh. You don't put too much force on your brush, just go very soft, very light. So next I'll be going in with my flat brush. I'll be cutting my crease. I'll be going in with the same eyeshadow primer I used before. That's the Benny white, Crown white eyeshadow primer. They're very nice eyeshadow primer, they're very popular in Nigeria. I'm going to make sure I don't want something too serious of the crease, because you know my eyes are very small, with hooded eyes. So I'm going in very soft and I'm trying to pat to blend and make sure that there's no breakage or any sort of things like that. And next I'll be trying to blend in the edge of where my cut crease is stopping at. I don't want to be a problem or a process whereby where my crease is stopping. Everybody should know that, and that should not be. So I'm trying to blend in my eyeshadow, trying to take the green shade I use all over my crease and blend it inside to give the very blended in look. I'm also I went in and checked a light shade of green, not that same green I used, another light shade. So it's going from like very dark to light, like that, you understand that process, softly very light. So next I'm going in with a olive green eyeshadow, shimmer olive green color. As you can see, it's a very nice olive green color. Probably because of the lighting, you can see it too well, but it's a very nice olive green color. Blending it, patterning it into my eyelid. I also went in with I used a light olive green color, and I used also a dark olive green color, like to build it up and give it more. So then next I went in with my brush again and cut across my eyelid to give me like this triangle effect. I don't know if you can really understand where I'm coming from, so I have to blend it in seamlessly. So I'm going off camera this second, and I'll be right back to see you guys when I'm done with this. So guys, I'm back and I am here with my face moisturizer, my Cetaphil face moisturizer, a very nice face moisturizer. I'll be applying that on my face. I'm blending it into my skin to give me a very flawless and seamless face to work with. I'm taking that all over my face, blending it in all over my face. Taking that and blending it seamlessly all over my face. Once I'm done with that, I will apply my medium Pauline face primer. I'm taking my medium Pauline face primer. You know where you are really into skin work process and everything. So I'll also be blending out into my skin very well, to give my face a very flawless, beautiful platform to work with. So my foundation will be blending in very easily. Blending that very seamlessly into my face. The next I'm going with my Pond's eyeshadow. So I'm going with my Pond's primer, giving a very beautiful flawless look. So next, to make my face look very smooth, to give me a very lightweight foundation look, I'll be taking a little bit of my face moisturizer, putting my foundation and mixing it together. It gives you a very flawless look. You guys will see it when my foundation is applied very well. I used the Flawless foundation in Nutmeg, Becharm Ageless in 507 and 607. Blending that into my skin. As you can see, the way you can see the light weight look is giving me, not too cakey, but like a dewy look. Yes, a dewy look. It's giving me a beautiful dewy look. Blend that into my skin, into my neck, to give me a flawless face to work with. So next, I also used the same process of the foundation for my highlight, and I also mixed my Cetaphil moisturizer with my foundation for my concealer to give me this very beautiful light effect. And guys, it was so wonderful. It was miraculous. It was beautiful. You guys will see it when I blended the concealer into my thing. It gave me this very seamless, soft look that you could achieve without any fault. I was really enjoying the song that I was listening to, guys. We have some. So guys, I'm blending my highlight, my contour lines to my skin. You can see the flawless look. It's just too good. It's too good. So guys, that's the trick. If you have a moisturizer or you have a serum moisturizer, whatever you have, that always shine moisturizer, you mix it up with your concealer for your lighting or for your foundation. It makes it very, very easy to blend. Even for your contour, you can use it. But you know, I'm not a fan of cream contour, so you can use it. I'm mixing with your contour, so it's really, really nice. And for those people that are using stick concealers or contour sticks or whatever, I don't think it's possible. It's meant to your foundation seamlessly. So guys, I'm back off camera. So now I used a Phorea setting powder. That setting powder is really, really nice. You guys should get it. I got it in the shade banana. This setting powder is beautiful. It's really nice. As a little bit can go a very long way. A little bit can go a very long way. So next I'm going with my classic compact powder. That's what I use for my contour. It seems like a very long time. That's what I use everything. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Abbas, me and Today. So today we're doing a very beautiful look. We're doing an olive green eyeshadow look. So you can see, first of all, I'm trying to blend in my eyeshadow primer into my eyelid. Blend it in seamlessly. Make sure there's no problem. Everything is going in smoothly. Next on, I would like to guys, I am back looking cute. As in, guys, can you see my eyes? Like, can you see my under eye? So the trick is to apply a white under eye, then try and smoke it things out with the color of eyeshadow you used, probably with a flat brush or anything. Then just as I did this style that I mostly see on this Korean artist, anytime she's on makeup, you guys can check it out. Her under eye, she does her under eye like an eyeliner. At the end, it has a ring something. It gives her like this very badass sassy look. So guys, I'm happy to tell you guys that I finally achieved that look. I think that will be my routine for every time I want to do my under eye. I'll be smoking things out and I'm giving a wing and I'll be looking sassy. That girl is like a queen. You guys should check her out on WhatsApp. The songs are dope. And check Maria house and just check her. She's so good. So next, I've applied as you can see, I'm looking glittering, I'm glowing, I am glowing as usual. You know I like to glow, so I'm using my Eversheen highlighter in the shade 3. I so much love the effect, so much love effect. As that's glow it gives me. I don't understand. So nice. Like, when I smile, my glow is always so precious. So I added more blush to make me look so nice. So I'm doing that in the mirror. Guys, I am back with the final look. Guys, can you see it? I added freckles to my face.